Hi guys, it's Susie from Thrifty Reviews for You, and I'm going to be doing a unboxing. Yay! I picked up this Barbie little kitchen sink with dishwasher at Walmart. I believe I got it for $8.88. I got it for Christmas, so let's go ahead and start unboxing, you guys. And I'll tell you what's inside of it. All right, so it comes with, looks like some hand soap or lotion, dishwashing liquid, 4 cups for dishes, and utensils. And it looks like maybe a towel to dry your clothes or dry your dishes with. Let's go ahead and open that up. So in this line, it does come, not come, but optional. I did pick that one up. I think I did a open boxing with it. I don't remember. Oh, look at that. Little dishes. We'll pop everything out. There we go. Oh, wow. Does it open up? Oh, it does. Look at that. There's the little rack. And I believe it comes out. I think it's taped in there. Yeah. It's taped in there. So you could stack the dishes on. And all the dishes and cups. All the utensils. Ah, you're dropping everything. And the towel. These are super cute. All right, you guys, so that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.